Welcome back to Feature Car Update, and today we're diving into a machine that didn't just define luxury in the late 90s, it reshaped what people expected from a premium automobile. The 1997 USA spec Mercedes-Benz lineup stood as a turning point in the brand's evolution, blending classic German engineering with a new era of refinement, technology, and bold design. So settle in, because what you're about to hear isn't just a recap of specs. It's the story behind a car that quietly changed the luxury landscape and left behind a legacy many people don't even realize came from this single model year. Back in 1997, Mercedes-Benz was in a unique phase. The brand was transitioning from its traditional, almost tank-like builds into a more modern, sleeker, tech-driven approach. Yet even as they moved forward, they didn't abandon the old-school craftsmanship that made earlier Mercedes models legendary. This rare blend is what made the 97 lineup so unforgettable. Whether someone wanted the executive presence of an E-Class, the stately dominance of the S-Class, or even the rugged practicality of the M-Class that started appearing around that era, the DNA felt unmistakably Mercedes, precise, powerful, and quietly luxurious. Let's focus on what made these cars special. First, the engineering. Mercedes in this period was known for overbuilding things, stronger metals, tighter tolerances, and engines tuned to run for decades, not just years. Many 1997 models sported smooth inline-six engines, powerful V8 options, and even high-performance variants that hinted at the growing partnership with AMG. The result was a driving experience people still talk about today. Solid, planted, and confident, with a level of smoothness that newer cars sometimes fail to replicate. Owners often describe the car feeling like it's carved from a single block of steel, and that sensation wasn't an accident, it was Mercedes intentionally pursuing quality above cost. Inside, 1997 Mercedes models represented a luxury approach that was clean, understated, and built to last. Real wood trims, durable leather seats, and switchgear that clicked with authority. It wasn't flashy, but it felt premium in a way that modern cars full of touchscreens struggle to mimic. Mercedes believed luxury should be something you feel with your hands, not just something you see on a digital display. The 97 lineup carried that philosophy perfectly, blending analog precision with early-stage digital features like basic navigation systems, traction control, and advanced safety engineering. Speaking of safety, Mercedes was already leading the world back then. Their crash structures, side impact protection, and stability programs were far ahead of most competitors. Families trusted these cars not just because they were comfortable, but because they were built to protect. Many of the safety technologies we take for granted today had their roots in the developments Mercedes was pushing during this era. But here's the secret part of the story, the one that made 1997 such an important year even though most people overlooked it. Behind the scenes, Mercedes was preparing to change the direction of the entire brand. They were testing new manufacturing methods, lighter materials, and updated electronics that would soon dominate their 2000s models. The 97 cars were the bridge between two worlds, the last breath of the old-school bulletproof Mercedes philosophy and the first step toward modern luxury. If you look closely at a 1997 model, you can see both sides in the design and engineering. It's part heritage, part future. This is why collectors and enthusiasts are returning to these vehicles today. The reliability, the